We specialise in packaging. We used to do sort of a lot of retail packaging, carrier bags. We then went into sustainable food-to-go packaging, coffee cups, sandwich wedges, salad boxes, all that sort of thing. Instead of going for something which was mediocre at accounts, warehousing and CRM, actually with the integration that they all can provide, go with something that specialises in CRM, go with a software that specialises in warehouse management, and then go with a software that specialises in accounts and integrate them so they all talk to each other. Prospect CRM recommended Unleashed. We wanted to increase efficiency out in our warehouse and reduce errors, and barcode scanning was one of the major things we were looking for, and Unleashed did that out of the box. Pegasus Opera was the system we were on originally. It didn't have barcoding capabilities, it didn't have multi-warehouse capabilities. A very basic, rudimental system. It was a slow-going process. There wasn't a good enough reporting as to how quickly we were using the stock, what was selling well, what wasn't selling well. Unleashed comes into its own by its simplicity, but it does it, but it's powerful. We have to select which orders we want to pick, but then it automatically goes through to the computers in the warehouse. They've got barcode scanners. It shows them what they need to pick, which bin location it's in, and so they can go pick it. They barcode scan it to make sure they have picked the right thing, because we've got lots of things out there which are very similar. So once they've picked the items that they can, they dispatch it on DPD, and then the invoicing is just a bulk process at the end of the day. I mean, the invoicing it could take, in the old system, it could take an hour, 2 hours, whereas now it takes a minute or two. I mean, it's just a massive time saving. We take the orders and put them onto Prospect CRM, confirm the order, and that goes straight through to an Unleashed. The Shopify orders that come through on our website, they go straight through to Unleashed as well. Having Unleashed and Prospect CRM integrated enables Prospect CRM to see the stock that Unleashed has and the available stock, not just what we have in stock, but the available stock. So obviously if we've got lots of orders, which means that all the stock of a certain item is actually taken, it will then, the Prospect CRM will show, well, hang on a minute, you can't actually have any stock because it's already been allocated to other customers. We do have any special pricing that we input into Unleashed onto the customer level. Again, that goes straight up into Prospect CRM. So then the orders can be picked straight away. Data transfers very quickly, and it does. All the different softwares we use come from companies that specialise in what they're best at, and they all integrate. And and the cost saving that comes with having it on the outset, it might look a little bit more expensive, but the time saving, because the software actually does what it should do, and the ease of use is you just can't beat it.